Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to generate subtitles for your videos with vid.io. You can use vid.io for free, guys, but of course if you want to get the maximum use out of it, then you can easily upgrade to one of their affordable plans. Now once you're inside of vid.io, guys, in order to generate subtitles for your videos, you want to click on the AI edits here at the top here from these options, and here you'll find the generate subtitles. So click on that, and here you can easily go ahead and upload your video. So whatever video that you have that you want to generate the subtitles for, just go ahead and find that video. I'm going to find a very short video here and just click on the video, click and open, and that video will be uploaded here. The uploading process is normally very quick, and as you can see there, it's already done. Now here you want to select the video subtitle. So if the video here, it's going to auto detect the video language here, and as it says that it auto detected English, which is right. And here you can even turn on add translation if you so desire. This is really optional. It's really up to you as well if you want to do that too, but you have that option to do auto translation and search the language or select a language that you want to do the translation for. So that's really good. But for the purpose here, I'm going to just keep it simple. Now you also have more options to basically do a transcribe, or you can upload the subtitle file if you want to do that as well. So all of these stuff you have that you can choose from. Now let's go ahead and do the auto subtitle here in English, and you will see that this is also a very quick process. It's already almost 20%, and yeah, it will just quickly auto generate that subtitle for you. And here you can see the subtitle for this video here is already generated. On the left hand side you can see the subtitle of the video, and you can always go ahead and let's say make changes to it. So let's say this should not be vid simple. I can just click on that and I can just make whatever changes to it. Let's say I want to remove it, I can remove it. All right, so you can just make changes to it. You can always delete. You can also delete something if it's not good. You can just delete it or detach it or something like that. It's really up to you. And yeah, you can go ahead, once you're satisfied with it, guys, just simply go ahead and move on to the next step, which is to click on done, and you'll take it over to the section here where you can basically export it. Once you click on export, it's going to export, go through the export process and auto download, or you can easily download that video afterwards. Now if you want to remove the watermark, you just need to ensure that you upgrade to one of their pro plans or one of their paid subscriptions, so that you can easily remove the watermark. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.